Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe. I'm not even supposed to say that. You know why you should subscribe to my channel? Because all the other YouTubers tell you to subscribe even though you don't want to. They force you, so you do not subscribe to the other YouTube channel because they're like, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now subscribe right now. That's what the other people do. So I'm not like that. I don't even tell you subscribe. So yeah, so this video I'm going to be showing my fidget toy collection where I got 2 more fidget toys, but I'm not going to get them, but I'm going to distract them. So yeah, let's get started. So first I have this. I don't know what it's called. It's called a stress ball, stress reliever or something. Yeah. And listen to this. Like listen to. Like it's really good. I think these are all these inside with some yellow and pink foam beads. It's exactly like slime. And I love the sound. And it stays in its shape but then it goes back. See? Stretch it and squeeze it. I don't know, I think it's called stress reliever or stress ball. Yeah. Let's move on to the next one. So next I have a fidget cube and it has all these buttons. Now here I think it's broken. I think this is broken here. Then it has a switch. Then these 5 things. The silver thing, you press it, you roll it, these you roll, and spin this, and this I don't know what it does. I don't know what it's for. So yeah, I guess this is this. Yeah, fidget cube. Next, I don't know if this is even a fidget toy or not. It is blue pack, so I don't know why I included this in the video. So yeah. Move on to that. And there's more. Ugh, this is hard. Now I got this. You know, like the lamps that are like this, but this one doesn't light up. And it's a mini one. I got a big one. I got a big one that was big. It's green. This one's pink. Yeah. This thing spins around and everything, and you can take it apart like that. So, yeah. That's it. I'm not sure if this is even a fidget toy, but I think it is a fidget toy to me. Next we have this. It's a bracelet and look at this. You can put the shells together. And it's really noisy. And this is kind of like this, but it's kind of like a tangle, like you can't pull it apart. But you won't find this if you're in a country. The only country you will find this is in Cambodia. This is Australia. So yeah, I got this from Cambodia. And it's a fidget bracelet, but you can just like do this and you can roll it. I don't even know if these are fidget toys. So these are really cool rocks, and you can just look at them like this. And like make it go to a light, and it is so pretty, like really pretty. And if you get one of these rocks, you will see it. I'm not sure if you can see it, no, but no, you can definitely see it. Like, it's so pretty. Next is this really cool bracelet. That's really good. Like it feels like spiky even though it's not spikes. So this is what they are. So these little tiny little fans. They look like fans. All flowers. They're mixed. And they're so rainbow. And they sound good. And yeah, I guess that's this. Let's listen to it. Okay, next. Next, there are this tangle. So I got another one, but I won't get it out. So this is the classic tangle. Yeah, you've got clear pieces. You've got yellow, green. You can pull apart, put it back together. You can make shapes and hold it shape. Yeah, just like this. Once I got 3 of these, and actually these can stretchy bracelets. You can wear these as bracelets, hair ties, or just bracelets. I got the rainbow one. You can make cool shapes or numbers and stuff. Like I made the number 8 kind of. Number 8. Then I guess that's this. Got 3. Then there are these zip bracelets. No, you can pull these apart here, but I don't want to. Here. The bracelets you can wear them at school like I did yesterday and today. And when you're listening to the teacher, you can just do this. Really cool. And zip it back together. Next I got a slinky. So if you want to know what this does, go check out slinkies. And you can put them on stairs, and they do like a really cool thing. This looks satisfying. Now I got a love had one, but that one is upstairs and it's all broken. I'll try and show you this with these. Yeah, these look upstairs to you. I'll try and demonstrate. And this is what they do. And they keep on just moving on to the next thing. And they just move on to the next step. Like that. I won't show you it on the stairs. They can't. Let's see if I can create a necklace. It's a weird necklace. You can also store pencils. I'll try putting this in it. No. You can just store it in. Yeah, I guess that's this. These are called slinkies or yo-yos, whatever you want to call them. Slinkies, yo-yos. Let's try this. So just stare at this and see what you think. This. There. Bye! I got twisty pets too, but I won't show you them.